Ad creative testing versus social ads managers. Which one is better for paid social performance? If you're running paid social campaigns, you might think more impressions equal better performance. Most people get this wrong, because the real driver of ROI isn't just ad placement, it's creative effectiveness. That's where ad creative testing and social ads managers come in, but they serve different roles. Ad creative testing platforms, like Bannerflow or Cretapi, focus on optimizing the content itself. They allow marketers to experiment with multiple versions of headlines, visuals, CTAs, and formats in real time. For example, testing 3 variations of a product video might reveal that users engage 40% more with one specific thumbnail and tagline. These insights let you scale high-performing creatives while avoiding wasted spend on underperforming assets. Social ads managers, such as Facebook Ads Manager or LinkedIn Campaign Manager, handle campaign execution and targeting. They control audience segmentation, bidding strategies, scheduling, and placement. For instance, you can target a lookalike audience and adjust budget allocation across multiple ad sets to maximize conversions. Ads managers ensure your creative reaches the right people efficiently. The key difference is focus. Ad creative testing improves the message and visual impact, while social ads managers optimize distribution and audience reach. Using only one can limit results. Great creatives won't convert if poorly targeted, and precise targeting won't save low-performing content. In conclusion, the best paid social performance comes from combining both. Test multiple creatives to identify the most engaging content and deploy them strategically using social ads managers. Together, they let you spend smarter, increase engagement, and maximize ROI, ensuring every dollar drives measurable results.